Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be learning a fun and creative project, creating a photo frame mockup in Photoshop. This is a great way to showcase your photography or design work in a realistic setting. So, let's open Photoshop and get started. Here we have our mockup file, and here is the picture that we have to place in our mockup. Go to the mockup document. From the toolbar, select the rectangle tool. Draw a shape around the blank canvas where you have to place your design. Change its fill to white and stroke to none. Right-click on the rectangle layer and convert it into Smart Object. Now, double-click on the rectangle layer. It will open up a new document. Here, bring in your design that you want to place in the mockup. Go to Edit, Copy and paste it in the document. Use the Transform tool, Ctrl or Command T to resize and position your photo within the frame. When done, go to File and save it. Now, go to the mockup file document. Here, change its blending mode to multiply. And there you have it. You have successfully created a photo frame mockup in Photoshop. With a little practice, you can create stunning mockups to showcase your work. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.